So I'm on my way to pick up one of India's true superstars to take him on a proper adventure into the Indian wilderness. He's gonna love it.
That is the Ailesa Island. When you say, this is my land, you cannot even take a hand of sand. Once again I'm telling, forget me, but don't forget the concept.
Hi guys, this is Monik Valupai. Welcome to Hardafile Footprints. Today we are riding to off-road place, romantic place, best adventure place near Kanagapura. The place name is Vairato Watchtower and I have shared this location below. If you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon also. Vairato Watchtower is the best peace place to go near Bangalore and I hope everyone will like this place. It was little challenging before reaching that place cause we have to go 1 kilometer on the off-road now. go there with the loved one. I mentioned before there was a little challenge. The place is under the reserve forest. So if you want to go there, you have to get permission from the forest officer. This one very difficult. It is 100 kilometers from Bangalore and 600 rupees enough to complete this ride. The last video we saw about Kandali Totti waterfall. The government has now announced under the reserve forest. If any officer catches you, they will definitely seize your vehicle. Be careful before you plan there. We have now come a conclusion. Subscribe to our channel, give likes, press bell icon and share ideas as a command. If you know the best places or you want to know that place, please share with us. Let's do the better review about that place. Thank you.